Good morning, everyone. Hope you have a blessed day. Read your Bible, get to know God more and more each day. Today, we're navigating through Joshua 22 and how good intentions can lead to bad consequences, bad issues, as well as coming together, everyone as a tribe together. The eastern tribes returned, Reuben, Gad, and half of Manasseh across the Jordan River back to their land. Point two, an altar of witness. So the eastern tribes will, after this generation passes away, next generation comes in, we're going to get forgotten. So we need to build an altar because we're on the other side of the Jordan. So they build the altar thinking it'll be fine, it'll be okay. But no one's supposed to build an altar. No one's supposed to sacrifice to God except at the tabernacle. So point three, at first the Westerns like, wait a sec, you can't be doing that. What are you doing? You're going to fall into other gods. You're going to start worshiping other people. And Phineas leads the delegation. Like what happened, describing, kind of really getting the full understanding. Why would you do this? So point four, the eastern tribes, the true point of the altar was only so we are not forgotten, even though we're on the other side of the Jordan River.